Hello everyone, I am Jansimi Ivechi Herrera, and for today's video, we are going to discuss about situational permutation and how to solve it. So grab your notebook, your pen and sit back and relax, for I am about to teach you how to solve linear permutation. So for our first situational problem is, Jelly wants to arrange 6 different potted plants in a row. In how many ways can she arrange it? The formula that we are going to use is permutation of n taken n, that is equal to n factorial. So we have 6 different plotted plants. So again, we have to use all the plants. So we have permutation of 6 taken 6. All plotted plants are included, therefore p of 6 taken 6, so 6 factorial. So to solve for 6 factorial, that is equal to 6, we're going to start with 6 down to 1. So 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. And that is equal to 720. So there are 720 ways in arranging 6 different plotted plants in a row. So moving on to our second situational problem. In how many ways can Prince park 4 different bicycles if there are 7 available parking spaces? So the formula for this one is P of n taken r is equal to n factorial divided by the quantity of n minus r factorial, where r is less than or equal to n. So r is 4, n is 7. So p of 7 spaces taken for bicycle, 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 4. So again, we are going to start from 7 down to 1. So 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial all over 3 factorial, then cancel, and that is equal to 840 ways. So there are 840 ways in parking 4 different bicycles in 7 available parking spaces. So for the last situational problem, we have, in how many ways can Max Payne arrange 3 couples in a row if for picture taking if A. There are no restriction, B. Each couple must stay together. So now 3 couples, it means there are 6 persons involved. Since there are no restriction, we are going to use P of 6 person taken 6. All of them are included, so that is equal to 6 factorial. So let's start from 6 down to 1. So 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that is equal to 720 ways. So there are 720 ways if you arrange 3 couples in a row for picture taking if there are no restriction. So moving on to B, where each couple must stay together. So again, each couple must stay together. So couple 1, couple 2, and couple 3. So we have 3 couples, so permutation 3 taken 3 and then times, since each couple contains of 2 couple. Therefore, we have to multiply permutation of 3 taken 3 to permutation of 2 taken 2. So permutation of 3 taken 3, that is 3 factorial times 2 factorial for permutation of 2 taken 2. So let's start from 3 down to 1. So 3 times 2 times 1 and 2 times 1, and that is equal to 12 ways. So there are 12 ways when you arrange 3 couples in a row for picture taking if each couple must stay together. How can you use the sample situations in your daily life, especially in formulating conclusions and or making decisions? Number 1, analyze the scenarios. Number 2, identify patterns and trends. Number 3, evaluate options and alternatives. Number 4, apply critical thinking. Number 5, consider personal values and goals. Number 6, make informed decisions. Number 7, reflect and adapt. By applying these steps to the sample situations provided, you can enhance your decision-making skills and develop a systematic approach to addressing challenges and opportunities in your daily life. It is an international summit that major world decisions happen. Suppose that you were the overall in charge of the sitting in an international convention wherein 12 country representatives were invited. They are the prime ministers, presidents of the countries of Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Japan, Libya, Malaysia, Philippines, South Korea, USA, and United Kingdom. So the equation that we will use is permutation of n taken n is equal to n factorial. N factorial is equal to 12 factorial. So now we're going to start from 12 down to 1. So 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that is equal to 479 million and 1,600. Therefore, there are 479 million and 1,600 ways in arranging the 12 important leaders in 12 countries.